Alrighty, here we are, another day, another dollar. Nothing in the overnight that I like too much here. At most, we've got this entry right here, which could be kind of interesting. It pairs up with a wick on the 30 minute, 15 minute. I'm not sure if there's a kinda on the 5 minute right here. It's ideally not the best setup, but it is a setup. It looks like we'll probably get that setup filled though before 9:45, and if that happens, I don't take trades before 9:45, so it doesn't even matter. And then news at 10. Two news at 10. Tomorrow we got jobless claims, PMI. Okay. I mean, if we break above this could be an interesting level right here. Could be. It's a little scary because you can kind of come back into the range here. We're gonna definitely be within our stop. We're kind of flatlining right now. Let me see this daily. The daily looks, wow, we are fighting for our life right here. We could just trade sideways for the rest of the year.
How much money did I make from 1 billion views? It was how much money
Order
I really
filled.
like this
Order
here
filled.
too. Oh, why does this look like this? What the hell? What the hell are these sound effects? We're gonna get stopped. I'm gonna go poop. Oh, I mean, like I said, this is probably one of my only interesting ones I've seen so far. But yeah, it's gonna get invalidated here. Pop this strongly right here. I'd really like this for a retest with a good close. Looks like we are 31. We're at 48. If we can get the close up here, I'll take this. But I want to see the close up here. Because our highest close right now is 42. 31. It's barely 10 above. We have the moving average right here though, which is kind of nice. I'm just not willing to take something that barely broke through. Just because it barely broke through, it can very easily come back into the range. Like that was a good buying pressure. It just didn't hold. I mean,
Order submitted. Order filled.
I guess I don't mind trying this here. I'm gonna be pretty aggressive on my stop. Oh, it's
Stop
gonna be
filled.
aggressive for me. Okay. Stopped out. I mean, that was an aggressive, really aggressive stop. It was a really aggressive entry as well. So far, I mean, I'm glad I got stopped out right there for that. Because so far that's saved me from drawdown. Um, 31, entry 431.50. I mean, it would have been break even again. We got up to here and we came back down. I mean, it does work out, but it, I mean, yeah, I think I need to stop being, I don't know, my stops have been too aggressive, I guess. Because I'm running into a problem where I'm taking a tremendous amount of break evens lately. I mean, the last couple trades I've taken have all been break evens. And there have been times where it has helped me out, going break even. But I think statistically speaking, at this point, the amount of times where it's actually screwed me over has been higher. The trade is just too tight. And when we pop this high, I like this entry up here. This is going to be a really nice entry up here. I also don't know how I feel about the Ninja Trader software. It's nice and all, but for my trading strategy, I think I prefer Trade of 8. At least currently, when with me doing a single trades. I'm looking at 450.25 as an entry point here, or maybe even this wick could be nice here too, as on the 1 minute. Point of control is here, so that's a little scary. Like this looks good to hold. Point of control is the only thing that scares me, which is why I didn't take it. Okay, wait, hold on. Um, hide this real quick, cause I mean I like. Okay, we are back. I just prefer this. I was trying Ninja Trader out, but for my strategy and how I've been tra yeah, for my strategy and how I've been trading, Tradeovate just feels like home. Feels good to be back. Oh, it just feels so nice to be able to see these lines. I hated having to guess, which is basically what I was doing. I'm gonna short here at the bottom of this doge. If we get a good close below it, can't be the worst, especially on the 5 minute here too. We got a little 5 minute doge. Nice. Let me go to two. Make sure we're on the right account here. So get a good close here, and I'll take this. The only thing that scares me is gonna be this wick right here, because we could very well come back up to here. But I love this. This looks great. Oh my god, and we got time things here too. I'm sure at some point I could set up Ninja Trader to better suit my needs, but right now, Tradeovate just feels great. Wow, what a sell-off. And then if our 5 minute closes down here, this would be so nice to try. This is definitely gonna push up off of VWAP. This little bump, and if it doesn't, this is another great entry down here. And if we do push, retesting this. Why do I feel like the trade of a charts definitely look a little more fuzzier? But yeah, this will be another nice entry down here. If we get above here, actually, I actually don't think if we do get above here, I actually don't think I don't mind this right here. Parental control being there can be a little bit scary, but we're moving kind of aggressively right now, so could be nice right here. Now, if this gets invalidated beforehand, I'm not gonna take that. But oh my god, and we have this on the 5 minute too. Like 5 minute close right here with the Doge. I keep saying Doge, the Doji. Strong close here. I take along on this. Point control is inside of our bracket orders as well. Looks like that's gonna get invalidated, so that's not gonna be able to play. We could do. I gotta pee so bad, but I don't wanna just leave this trade up when I go pee, and especially because it looks like we might be able to get the fill here. Again, the only thing that scares me is coming down up to this wick right here. I could see us possibly going up to there. Um, I think though, because of the structure on this little doji, yeah, we might get that first. And so far with how it looks, I mean, now if we get really close and we don't get the fill and it comes back down, I will have an entry up here. Especially because we're kind of zigzagging. We're very zigzag today, which on zigzag days, usually these levels play out pretty nice. Because it's very much like hit, come down, hit, come down. Um, I do want to attempt to try and open up the trade a little bit here. Maybe not be as aggressive on the stop. We'll see what happens though with it. Ideally, I think I'd like to see this happen on this 5 minute. I don't think I want to see another 5 minute open up, hit this.
Order
Oh,
filled.
there's our fill. We're lagging. This is the spot that I was afraid of right here, if I was coming up to at least, which it looks like we are. We're rejecting it.
Stop filled.
And that is a full stop. I think that's, nope, $90 until the account is blown. Um, damn, that just sucks. Another fat Dookie L. I liked that setup. What can I say? I liked that setup. There was no reason for me to not take that. I really liked that setup. The only other place I could have seen is maybe here, but no, we were just even there would have been an instant stop. There really was just nothing I could do right there about that. That sucks. Because I'm for sure next time I get into a trade, the moment it goes even an ounce against me, like it's cooked. Okay, we got $90 drawdown. This account, this funded account is cooked. It's my fault. I mean, I greedily traded on it the last couple times. Man, I feel like this. I was gonna say this could very well start roll over, but this is a head good candle up here. Uh, I mean, if we get the pop, I mean, I don't even know if I can last more than a second in this trade using two contracts. Like, I truly believe this account is cooked. I mean, yeah, that just sucks. Full stop out after getting swept here, not getting the 10. That's how the trend has been. So I think I'm gonna I'm changing it to just a stop. Cause I'm tired of this happening. I'm tired. I'm sick of this. This is sickening. This happened to me 12 times, not 8, 9 times. Like 2 weeks ago. So this account should have gotten a payout, uh, or funded or whatever. But because it was a tight stop every single time, statistically screwed me out. And now here we are, $90 away from filling the eval. Not the eval, from $90 away from blowing the funded. I mean, I've been patient. I've only been taking trades that I like. I really like this trade. I liked this trade. Like, there's really not much I can do here. I'm just not. Yeah, I'm just not. It's not working out. It kind of sucks. But I guess I tried, at least, huh? That's all that matters. Okay, we are pushing these highs. Fuck it. This is the last try on this account. Fuck it. I don't care. It's blown. There's nothing I could do. Even the best entry will cook me. And I think at this point it's easier for me to just do a new eval and fucking fund the eval and cause it's not like I had that account anywhere like high, you know what I mean? We got our moving average for support here. We'll see what happens. I think this does get filled out here. Or not. Never mind. We're just gonna continue to push on up here. No fill. I mean, like, that simply looks great.
Order filled.
Question is, will I survive the drawdown? No.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
that's it. Account closed. Um, yeah, that one was another. Yeah, I mean, even if I kept this in there, it's a full stop out too. And that was just that's a shitty trade. Actually, no, it's not the worst trade. I didn't mind it. Um, just a shitty. Yeah, I mean, that's that. Rip that funded account. No payout on it. Just fucking what, 100 and something dollars down the drain on it. Burned up, thrown into the trash can like it was nothing. We've got two more. We've got this one that actually has gotten a payout. It's pretty high up, I guess. And then we've got this one over here that hasn't gotten a payout yet. It's not the worst. It's not in the worst spot. It's not in the best spot either. But I don't know. I guess I just been struggling. I don't really know why. I mean, I've been being patient, taking good trades that I like, good setups. I truly think that I just gotta restructure my bracket order to not be as aggressive, I guess. gotta adapt. Um, yeah, that's that. I'm gonna call it there for today just 'cause I don't want to take anything more.